From its legendary heritage to its cutting-edge future, the Ford Bronco is back, reimagined, re-engineered, and ready to conquer. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Every line, every curve, speaks to its rich lineage, yet with a thoroughly modern twist. From its unmistakable round headlamps to the robust squared-off stance, the new Bronco perfectly blends iconic design with contemporary capability. And yes, the doors come off, the roof comes off. Freedom is built right in. But the Bronco isn't just about looks. Underneath that rugged exterior lies a beast engineered for the wild. With its advanced 4x4 system, available Sasquatch package, and revolutionary GOAT modes that goes over any type of terrain, you're equipped for virtually any challenge. Sand, mud, rock, or snow. Simply dial in your adventure.